How to play Spotify while playing Roblox. You can play Roblox while playing Spotify in the background, and today I'm gonna show you the simple tricks of doing it. Firstly, open up the Spotify, and open any of the track that you want to listen, and after that play the track and do not close it. Make it open in the background, swipe it up, and after this click on Roblox, and here you can see the Spotify is running in the background, and you can continue playing the games that you want to play. And after you enter into the game, make sure you have turned off the volume of the game. And in order to turn off the volume, on the top right corner you can see the Roblox icon. Simply click on the option and go to settings, and here you can see the volume option. Just minimize it completely, and then only you will be able to hear what is playing on Spotify on background. So this is how you play Spotify while playing Roblox. And if you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Till then, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.